How to stop Google from saving search history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and then search myactivity.google.com. It will open this page. At the bottom, you'll find Web and App Activity. Click on Turn Off below it. You'll find two options. Click on Turn Off and Delete Activity. After you've done that, at the bottom, click on Got It, and you're good to go. Make sure you have selected Delete Activity as well and not only Turn Off, as it will remain same search history of before. If you delete it, it won't start and you'll have zero search history. This is to stop Google from saving search history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.